Your Venmo account was frozen. Let's quickly explain why and how to appeal. Unusual activity triggers freezes, sudden large transfers, or strange login locations. Verification problems, mismatched identity, expired ID, or missing information. Policy violations like unauthorized transactions or prohibited item sales can also cause freezes. Some freezes are temporary for investigation. Others may be permanent depending on severity. Before you appeal, gather ID, proof of address, and transaction details to speed things up. Open the Venmo app, go to Settings, then Support to start an appeal. Choose Account Issues, then Appeal a decision, and follow the prompts to upload documents. Upload clear photos of your ID, proof of address, and any relevant bank or transaction statements. Example message: I did not authorize the disputed transaction. I attached my ID and bank statements. Venmo typically reviews appeals within a few days to 2 weeks. Watch your email for updates. Be polite, concise, include transaction IDs and dates, then wait for Venmo's decision.